I think Eurodesk was a flight I listened to the most.
Same. How's it going?